Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide this suggested for you section from your Instagram account. If you want to hide this section suggested for you, for that just open your Instagram on your laptop or PC, and you can do it on your mobile phone by opening your Instagram in your Google Chrome browser and go to your desktop mode. So after opening it on your PC or laptop, here click on this more option and go to settings. Now in settings just scroll down and here you will see an option show account suggestions on profiles. So this is the section that I was talking about. So just turn it off and just simply click on this submit option. It may take some time, but after with some time this section suggestion for you will be removed or will be hidden from your profile. So this is the way you can do it.